KoPartner is marketed as a wellness platform that supposedly helps users improve their health and achieve better overall well-being. But the real question is it really India's best wellness platform, or is that just marketing? Now, to be fair, wellness platforms can be genuinely useful. Many provide access to health resources, coaching, fitness programs, and wellness services that can help users build healthier habits. What it does well, offers multiple wellness-related services. A broad platform can be convenient for users who want several wellness tools in one place. May help users stay accountable. Structured programs and expert guidance can encourage consistency. Where the hype falls apart. Best is highly subjective. This is the biggest issue. What makes a platform the best depends entirely on the user's goals and needs. Results still depend on the user. No wellness platform can guarantee better health if the advice isn't consistently followed. The quality of services may vary. Different coaches, programs, and resources can produce different experiences. So, is KoPartner India's best wellness platform? Short answer. It may be useful for some users, but there is no objective evidence that it is universally the best wellness platform in India. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.